My three cats here naglalambing. This is Ben. This is Garlic. And this is Patrick. So, naglalambing silang tatlo this early morning. So, they just woke up. They must have asked for food. Wala lang, nagpapalambing-lambing lang sila. Okay, and the queen has arrived. This is Pepper. So Pepper is going to kick them off, all of them. Oh, alis na kayo dyan. Dumating na ang Reyna. The Pepper and the Garlic. May morning allergy ka, Garlic, kasi nagsisipon kapag morning. They are the three cats.